What?
Not all of it.
Thank you, bud. Can you throw it in the trash can? I'm gonna get you, Phoenix.
I can't get you.
You need to learn how to get down the steps. Go get him. Go get him. Stay behind him. Go. Don't let him come back down. Say, I'm gonna get you, Phoenix.
Get your feet. We're inside a big tunnel. We're inside a tunnel.
No, you gotta keep going.
Mommy, we're inside a tunnel.
Okay, well tell him you're gonna get him. Say, I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
get you.
get you.
Go.
That tunnel, like that's where the outside is. That's where outside is, and this is where not.
You can't come down face first.
And this is the closed outside.
Oh my God.
Mommy, this is the closed outside.